Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address on crypto.com. The tutorial is quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now on crypto.com, to find the address you need to go ahead to your accounts or be here on the home page and click deposit option. Once you will click deposit, you will choose an option crypto to find the crypto address. And now you will have all of these cryptocurrencies. So just go ahead and search for the one which you want. So maybe for today, let's go ahead and choose Solana maybe. Now you will need to choose a network. So Solana is either on Solana network or on Cronos. So I'm just going to choose Solana one. And here is your Sol wallet address. Estimated arrival time and deposit arrival. Basically, you will see all of the information here. To use this address, you're just gonna copy it or scan it with a QR code, and that's pretty much it. The same goes with some other coins. Some other coins will have more networks mostly. For example, USDC coin has a lot of more networks, as you can see. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.